Fable 5 is back. And if you were sleeping on this before, wake up, because Anthropic just did exactly what I told you that they were going to do. Fable 5, their most powerful model, is free again, and they extended the window. So let me put you on real quick. Hey execs, it's your boy Trey Cooper, and I just wanted to make a little quick video real fast. So this is what happened. A few days ago, they dropped Fable 5 again, the best research and AI model that they've ever built, and let everybody use it if you had a Max or a Pro or a team account. And then they pulled a little fake out and said they made it seem the window was going to be closing on July 7th, today. And so kind of like get it while you can. And I told you, I was like, watch, they're probably just going to take this away and kind of bring it back. But once they've seen how many people are using it and how hard people are leaning in on it, they're going to extend it. And that's exactly what happened. They looked at the numbers and they saw people building real stuff with it, and they pushed back the deadline to July 12th. So if you're on the Pro, Max, or Team plans, it's sitting there right now in your model picker. Their most powerful model, free just for a few more days. And I need you to understand, this is not just a chatbot that you ask random questions to or type it in Google or ChatGPT like how you usually do. This is a different tier. This is a model that people use to migrate 50 million lines of code in a single day's work. Work that would have taken a full engineering team 2 months. People are building entire apps and games just from one sentence. And it's the strongest financial model they've ever tested. So you could hand it 200-page report and it'll reason through the numbers and build you an investment thesis, not just summarize it. It did frontier physics research in 36 hours, took another model 4 days just to do that. So you could point it at any big decisions and just let it do some deep research in the whole thing before you spend a full dollar. So you could do full website audits, SEO audits, a month of content ideas. And the real difference is it stays sharp on long, hard, multi-step work where other models fall apart halfway through. So that's what you have access to right now. And this is your window. And I'm not going to re-explain everything because I already made a video a couple days ago on how I broke down the 7 exact things I would run on Fable 5 to get ahead. And it's right there. I'm going to put it in the description, and there'll be a link up here right now so you could get it. So definitely go watch that one and run through it before July 12th. Just pick one thing and run it. So, and the people who look back on this week as the week that everything changed are going to be the people who get ahead instead of just watching another video and thinking about it. So if you're trying to figure out how to use AI, how to build real income and leverage, that's the whole point of this channel. And definitely subscribe, like, comment, and stay locked in. And also check out the Boardroom because I go into detail in there. I drop free resources for the YouTube and stuff. This is going to be moving fast. So I'm going to keep putting you guys on. So make sure you drop a comment and let me know what you guys are working on and what you're building with Fable 5. So go test it now while you can. And if you're an exec, you already know the motto. Stay locked in, stay building, and stay starving.